Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Um, Obviously, we are back in the trailer because, like I said in the previous video, we had a lot to do this weekend as far as this rebuild project goes. So, as you know, pretty much the entire outer perimeter rim joist is completely rotted out. Obviously. So, what we first did when we got in here, we was able to build a temporary load-bearing wall with our 2x4. So we got that built, got it put up in its place, and then we were able to go to work on ripping out and removing all the old rotted rim joists, and had to cut out sections of old rotted floor to get access to all that. So if you remember where we left off last time, before the contractor got here, this new rim joist right here pretty much stops actually right here where that 2x6 support is doubled up. That's pretty much, this 2x6 just runs here and then literally stops right there. So we were able to get a whole 12 footer of 2x6 installed right here in this run of frame. Same thing with the all new bottom plate as well. And we had to, unfortunately, replace the bottom plate on what we already had done, because that bottom plate that was already there that we were using turned out it was a really old school 2x3, so it actually wasn't a 2x3. It was wider than the new stuff, and it was going to make things a little weird, so we had to replace it with all new current production 2x3 just so everything was smooth and everything matched. And that way we want to have issues with putting up drywall and then we'd have like a little random spot where it like bulged out or something like that, so we had to fix it. But not a big deal, we got it done. A little bit of a setback, got to replace a couple of these studs. But yeah, we got a whole 12-foot section of joist in. It comes all the way. We stop right here, halfway on this frame gusset. And then our next 12-footer will continue from here and end up somewhere down there. And then we'll be damn near like halfway there. But this was a very important part right here, because this is your entryway. This is your door frame where you first walk into, you know what I mean? And the door was junk, obviously. So we had to get rid of the door. We thought we was going to get some crazy storms yesterday, so we had to hurry up and go buy some plastic weather sheeting, and hurried up and got back, got some tape, and put this up here, and then ended up not really raining at all. So I don't know. But yeah, that door frame's gonna get reframed so we can buy a new door and install it. And we're just gonna keep making our way down this whole left side. And then once this entire left side is pretty much reframed, we can run our new 5/8 plywood, and we're gonna run it long ways through here, be 4 foot wide, and then we can run it long way. We can run our floor in sections all the way down the entire side of this trailer. Then we'll move on to the right side, cut all that stuff out, get rid of all that nasty old rotted stuff, start replacing the joists on that side as well. And then once that's done, we'll do the same thing. We'll run our plywood long ways all the way down this side. And then the only thing we'll have left, we won't have to really do any more reframing, You know, all we'll have to do at that point, these sides will already be replaced and already have the new floor on them. All we'll have to do then is come straight down the middle and remove all the remaining floor and just run our strip of plywood all the way down the middle. And then the entire thing, the entire framing and flooring of this trailer will be done. So, you know, had a little bit of setbacks yesterday. His one of his saw blades broke, so we had to run a Harbor Freight, get another saw blade or whatever. So a little bit of a setback, just little random knick-knack, little hiccups here and there. You know what I mean? Kept giving us little bits and pieces and setbacks and stuff like that, but we was able to kind of power through. We may have gotten a little too ambitious when we started out this weekend, because we thought that we was going to have this entire left side reframed by Sunday. Unfortunately, did not end up going that way, but it shouldn't be too much longer now. You know what I mean? You know, we're just kind of trucking through it, you know, day by day. So that's all you can really do. But yeah, it's getting there. Hell of a lot of progress was made though this weekend, so definitely excited and pumped up about that. But alright guys, that's pretty much just what we got going on. What happened over the weekend. But I'm gonna jump off here. I'll see ya.